Hello, Professor and class. My name is Mutaz Elhag. This is Lab 1, and I did it in GNS3. I already took a capture of it, so there is a file I'm going to send, and I thought to record this. So for host 1, actually it's the router. As we see here, it's the router, but I configured it as a host by initiating the command no-ip routing, which is no-ip routing. Show IP interface brief. We got the IP address of 100.1.1.11. Let's show IP route. There is no routing table, so it's just a host. So let's look at switch 1. Switch 1. So show IP interface brief, and here is a fast Ethernet. 1/0 is up, and 1/2 is up, and also VLAN 70. So let's look at the VLANs. Show VLAN switch brief. So we have here VLAN 70 and VLAN 1, the default one, and we see here fast Ethernet 1/15 is the fast Ethernet that connected to the host 1. So let's see the trunk. Show IP, show interface trunk. So it's fast Ethernet 0/1/0 and 1/1 is a trunk. So let's look at show spanning tree. Here is spanning tree for VLAN 1 and for VLAN 70. So let's look at show spanning tree brief. So this is VLAN 1. So here is VLAN 70. So fast Ethernet 1/0 is forwarding. 1/2 is forwarding. 1/15 is forwarding. Let's look at the switch number 2, which is the blue. So show spanning tree brief. So here fast Ethernet 1/1 is forwarding. 1/2 is forwarding, 1/15 is forwarding. Let's look at switch number 3. Let's see which switch is blocking. Show spanning tree brief. Here is for VLAN 1. Here is for VLAN. So with here the fast Ethernet 1/0 is blocking. Let's go to so here this is a blocking now because this is a thread at the root. Switch 1 is at the root at the lab dictated, and switch 2 is a secondary route. This is the primary. Switch 1 is the primary. Switch 2 is the secondary. So switch 3 is blocking fastest and net 1 slash 0. Let's see how long it's gonna take to converge. So I'm gonna do a shutdown to fastest to the interface of switch 1 to the fastest and net of 1 slash 0. So let's go to switch 1, config D interface fast Ethernet 1 slash 2 shut. Let's go to switch number 3 and see spanning tree brief. So it is blocking still. It is listening. It still is listening. It's learning now. It is forwarding. So it took like 50 a second. I don't know how to. I tried to find the command for the rabbit spanning tree. I couldn't find it. So that's about it. Thank you.